Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make classic Toll House chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated and packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 2 cups of delicious semi-sweet chocolate chips. Before you begin mixing, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, and salt. Now, in a large mixing bowl, beat the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars and the vanilla extract until the mixture is light and creamy. Then, incorporate the 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and beating thoroughly after each addition. Next, gradually add the dry flour mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, it's time for the star of the show. Gently stir in the 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Once your dough is ready, drop rounded tablespoons onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them out. Bake these delicious cookies for 9 to 11 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking. After 2 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container. Now, the best part, enjoy your warm, homemade Toll House chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.